Stay tuned, I am going to tell you how to get around Lincolnshire for free or practically nothing. My closest bus stop to me, and I'll be there in a second, is in Scamblesby. So I need to get from Scamblesby to Horncastle, then Horncastle to Lincoln. I'm meeting a friend of mine who's coming from Leicester, so we can compare our transport joys and tribulations. He should be okay because he has a proper infrastructure that allows him to get about, whereas I'm going to put some things on the screen where you can see where I need to actually book some of my trips, and it's with a company called Call Connect, which will get me from my rural location to Horncastle, which is only 6.5-7 miles away, but it's terrible to get to if you don't have your own vehicle. Anyway, I'll be at the bus shelter in a second, wait for my bus, the adventure begins. That doesn't take long, my bus is here already. Right, we'll get on this then. Good morning. You're very early. Yeah. I've got a pass, just a sec. You got many on this morning? Yeah. Perfect, lovely, thank you. Now, where you dropped me, we're in Horncastle. Is it the bus stop in the marketplace? And is that where I get it back from as well? All right, lovely. That'll work for me. Well, so far this is working out absolutely brilliantly. If you booked it and you had to pay, it cost you £3. The same as any government concession, but because I've got my bus pass, it's just me. Now, it literally is just me on this minibus. He's come out to get me because I booked it. So far, it's all working out very, very nicely. Cheers. Well, there's a turn up for the books. It's not even 10 to 10 yet, which is when my pickup was due. So that means I'm now in Horncastle at 10 to 10, and I can get the bus into Lincoln at 6 minutes past 10 instead of 6 minutes past 11, which is what I was going to do because I was just going to miss this one. I was going to get a Costa. So I think I've actually got time to go and get a Costa and drink it on the bus. Let's do that. How do you do? Here we are again then at Lincoln bus station. We're now going to go and have a wander and then meet up with my pal. He won't be on camera, he's a little bit camera shy, but I'll fill you in with our travel details. I am sat at Brayford Pool in Lincoln waiting for my buddy to come along, and it gives me time to talk to you about getting around rural Lincolnshire. There are two companies that I'm using. You can see the links down below in the comments. One of them is a company called Call Connect and the other one is Stagecoach. Now, Stagecoach is a national company all over the place, so that's easy to find. The Call Connect one is a Lincolnshire-based company that started in 2001 to get around the rural destinations in the county, because it is a very, very rural county. Not many rail or other big bus companies around. Now, Call Connect, they run a series of minibuses connecting villages. You can download the app, go online, or phone them, and you literally book a bus. This morning, my bus came about 10 minutes early. I was the only one on it. If you had to pay, and you'll see from the screen prints, it'd have been £3. If I got a taxi, it'd have probably been about £25. So they work very, very well. During the week, they operate from 7 in the morning till 7 at night, and on a Saturday, they're from 8 till 6. Doesn't run on a Sunday, but I've found this morning it was perfect. Got me in very, very early into Horncastle to get the earlier bus, and then the bus itself that I was getting, the Stagecoach one, was late, half an hour, but it still got me into Lincoln half an hour earlier. So have a look at the screen prints. You'll see the Call Connect ones, which work very well. Now, it's not just people that live in Lincolnshire who can do it. Anyone, if you're here and you want to pay, then you can pay a very, very small amount, or practically free if you have a concession card. So mine is a pensioner's card. So it's cost me nothing to get from my house, Scamblesby, to Lincoln, and it should cost me hopefully nothing going back. So I'll let you know how that goes, but today so far it's been fabulous. I will see you very shortly after my shy friend has been and gives me his update on how he got here from Leicester. I hope you found that video informative. So I'm just going to fill you in now. First of all, let's tell you about my friend that came to see me from Leicester. He had no problems whatsoever in coming to meet me in Lincoln. He lives in Leicester. For those that don't know, Leicester is a city in the Midlands in the United Kingdom, in England. It has full integrated transport system. So he had buses running past the end of his road every 10 minutes, probably from 6 in the morning till midnight, which got him to the station, and he took a cheap off-peak return on the train. He's also retired, so it was easy for him to have a free bus ride and a discounted rail ticket. I, on the other hand, live in a very, very rural location, as I've said. So Lincolnshire, the Call Connect system of buses runs getting people from villages and hamlets to what you might regard as a hub, to a town, where you can then go and get another bus. The problem with a lot of Lincolnshire again is there are no rail services. There are around the coast, around the edges, but there's nothing in the middle. All that lot disappeared with the beaching reforms in the late 50s, early 60s. The important thing is, if you are of retirement age, and I've said it a few times in a lot of my videos, make sure you get yourself a concession pass. If you are retirement age, it is free. You get it from your local council. All you've got to do is submit your details and a photograph, and they'll post one out to you, and you've got free bus rides. Other than that, the government have in this country at this stage got concessionary bus fares at £3. Important things: get your bus pass, your fares will be free. Download the Call Connect app, have a look online, or phone them. There will be one, if you're in Lincolnshire, running somewhere near you. If you're somewhere else in the country, I'm pretty sure there are other systems running all around in different counties. As a senior, I like to get out and about. I don't want to be spending too much money. It would have cost me £12 return if I had to pay to go from Horncastle to Lincoln and back. As it turns out, it was for free. By the way, if you like some of the things that you saw in Lincoln, click over here and you'll see my video of a day out in Lincoln, which I did. And also click down here, you'll see the one that I did from Horncastle to Skegness in the summer. And that again is using my bus pass. If you click over here, you can get the full playlist of my day trips and other adventures. Please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.